Earth, the home of the winds. Winds means, what is the wind here? Wind means the life. The earth, which is the life of all human beings. All human beings live here. When this sacrifice is made, which sacrifice? That we have to, shaman told them that you have to possess something valuable thing which is belongs to you, the thing which is very valuable for you. One thing you have to sacrifice which is belong to you, and which is very valuable for you also. Life will be restored to the earth and to the people. Means drought and famine will be keys. What is the meaning of cease? Means ends up. Life will be restored to the earth and to the people. Means rains will be there, and again crops, different crops will be grown here, agriculture will be developed here again. The life will be restored just like before we are living. Life will be comes to us again in that manner only. The people sang the song of thanks to the great spirit for telling them what they must to do, because they were very confused why we are facing this type of problem. So people were very happy after getting the solution. What solution they got? The solution that life will be restored if the people in the Texas place, in the United States of America, the Texas city, the people who lived there, the tribe, I told you which tribe lived there, that Comnek were lived there. This tribe have to sacrifice one valuable thing, and then after again they will live very happy life. Okay, I'm sure it is not my new boat that the great spirit wants, a warrior said. Among them, actually what happened, we want everything that कि कोई हमें सब कुछ देता जाए, but we are not ready to sacrifice anything, any valuable thing which we are having. तो यही उनके साथ भी हुआ. They all were not agree to sacrifice any valuable thing. उनको चाहिए ही नहीं था कि मैं ही क्यों करूँ, why not others. So one warrior, means one soldier was there, and he was saying that my valuable thing is my boat, and I don't think that spirit want my boat or my special blanket. A woman added. Again a woman among them, that a very valuable thing for her was her blanket, and I think the spirit does not want to my blanket. Means no one was agreed to sacrifice anything. Everyone went to their tippies. What is tippies? Actually small, you can see in the picture also, in the before picture, I think here you can see at the back side here. I'll show you. At the back side, these are the small houses made up of the twigs and branches of the trees. These were the tippies. These were tippies, the tents made up of skin, cloth, canvas tied around the frame and made the poles. They are used to Native Americans. Means ये nomads थे, they were nomads, और इधर उधर घूम घूम कर खाना खाते थे. So उनकी छोटे छोटे से जो not a permanent house, we cannot say that it's a permanent house, it's a unpermanent house, और वो लोग इन tippies में रहते थे. Okay, now see the next paragraph. Everyone, that is except she who is alone, she held her doll tightly to her heart. एक चीज़ थी जो उस गर्ल के पास में भी थी, that she who is alone is having her warrior doll, and she loved that doll very much, because I told you earlier that it was the last, बोलते ना उनकी एक last निशानी थी, that belongs to her parent and grandparent also. तो वो अपनी डॉल से बहुत प्यार करती थी. यू, शी सैड लुकिंग एट द डॉल, यू आर माई मोस्ट वैल्यूड पोजिशन. वो अपनी डॉल को देख रही है और बोल रही है कि तुम मेरा सबसे वैल्यूएबल थिंग हो. पोजिशन मीन्स जिस पे मेरा अधिकार है. इट इज़ यू द ग्रेट स्पिरिट वॉन्ट्स. अच्छा, तो मुझे लगता है दैट द गर्ल वॉज, इस कैन सी दैट जो इतना बड़े लोग नहीं सोच पा रहे हैं, दैट गर्ल वॉज थॉट, द गर्ल थॉट दैट येस द स्पिरिट वॉन्ट्स वैल्यूड पोजीशन. मीन्स मेरी डॉल ही उनको चाहिए, और वो सेक्रीफाइस करने के लिए रेडी भी हो गई, बिकॉज ऑफ द वेलफेयर ऑफ दी, उनके जो पीपल थे, जो उनके गांव वाले थे, विलेजेस थे, उनके लिए उसने सेक्रीफाइस करने को भी तैयार हो गया. नो वन एल्स कैन डू. Okay, she held her door tightly to her heart. You, she said, looking the doll, you are my most valued possession. It is you. the great spirit wants, and she knew what she must to do. As the fire died out and the teepee's flaps began to close, and the small girl returned to the teepee where she slept to wait. Means it is the time of night when everyone went to their teepees, and that lights were closed and full darkened there. So she was waiting for sacrifice her doll. The night outside was still except for the distant sound the night bird with the red wings. मतलब वहाँ पे नाइट बर्ड का नाम इन्होंने डिफाइन नहीं किया है, बस उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है, रेड विंग्ड ब्लैक बर्ड विच इज़ फाउंड इन द नॉर्थ एंड सेंट्रल अमेरिका. इट्स बेसिकली कॉल्ड, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे आउल होता है वैसे ही वहाँ पे भी एक नाइट बर्ड होता है, एंड दैट इज हैविंग द रेड विंग्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है. Soon everyone in the teepee was asleep except she who is alone. Under the ashes of the teepee fire, she still glowed. She took it and quietly crept out into the night. वो चुपचाप गई और अपनी डॉल को भी अपने साथ ले लिया. She ran to the place on the hill where the great spirit had spoken to the shaman. वहीं पे जहाँ पे great spirit had told to the shaman that here one has to sacrifice most valuable thing, उसी hill पे वो गई, and stars filled the sky but there was no moon. Oh great spirit, she who is alone said. Now she cried, oh great spirit, here is my warrior doll. It is the only thing that I have from my family who died from the famine. It is my most valued possession. Please accept it. Now she was ready to sacrifice her doll. Now you can see in this picture also she was sacrificing her doll. Okay. Then gathering twigs. What is the meaning of twigs? Small branches ना जो बिल्कुल सूख जाते हैं, पेड़ों के छोटे छोटे branches. तो लकड़ी जो वुडन में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, वुड में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, they can burn easily, it can burn easily. So basically these are the twigs. She started a fire with a glowing fire stick. The small girl watched at the twig began to catch the burn. उसने पहले फायर मतलब twigs को collect करके fire burn की. She thought of her grandmother and grandfather, her mother and father also. When she was doing all these things, all the images comes in front of her mind, and उसको सब कुछ दिखाई दे रहा था, अपनी मम्मी पापा, all parents, grandparents also, their faces also, because she was sacrificing the thing which is last thing that connected her with her parents. Okay. And before she could change her mind, she thrust the doll into the fire. अगर ऐसा कुछ होता कि उसका mind change हो जाता, उसने बिना कुछ सोचे समझे, because of the welfare of that villagers, she sacrificed her doll into the ashes. Okay. She watched until the flames died down and the ashes had grown cold. उस डॉल को तब तक वो देखती रही. शी वॉच दैट डॉल अंटिल वो पूरी एशेज में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो गई, मतलब पूरी तरह से बर्नट आउट नहीं हो गई. एंड देन स्कूपिंग अप a handful, she who is alone scattered the ashes to the homes of the winds, the north and the east, the south and the west. Means जैसा स्पिरिट ने बोला था, गुड स्पिरिट ने शमन को बोला था that when you sacrifice a most valuable thing to the spirits and they will be very happy, then you have to collect that ashes of that thing and you have to sprinkle out east, west, north, all the four side of your Texas city, and then the rain will come and crops will grow again. So उसने वैसा ही किया. She sprinkle out all the ashes of that warrior doll all the four side, and there she fall asleep until the first light of the morning sun woke her. फिर उसी रात को वहीं सो गई और उसने जब तक कि सुबह की पहली किरण ने उसको जगाया नहीं. She looked out over the hill stretching out from the side where the ashes had fallen. The ground was covered with the flowers, beautiful flowers as blue as the feathers in the hair of that doll. मीन्स जब वो सुबह उठी उसने बिल्कुल एक मैजिकल थिंग देखी, दैट इट वॉज रियली मैजिकल. जहाँ जहाँ पे एशेस गिरे थे, मतलब फोर्थ साइड पे, वहाँ पे ब्लूजम स्टार्ट हो गया, फ्लावर्स आ गए. ब्लू बोनट, इट्स ए स्पेशल फ्लावर विच ग्रोन इन दैट टेक्सास सिटी और उसका नाम ही ब्लू बोनट होता है. तो उसी के बेसिस पे ये चैप्टर क्रिएट हुआ है, ब्लू बोनट. ओके. टाइटल ऑफ द चैप्टर बिलोंग्स टू द ब्लू फ्लावर, ब्यूटिफुल ब्लू फ्लावर्स। जो उसके आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन आई गेव द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दैट वॉरियर डॉल दैट उसके जो सिर पे एक फिदर था, ब्लू कलर का फिदर, जो उसके पापा उसके लिए लेके आए थे। So the colors of that flower was as similar as the feather that was stuck in her warrior doll। ठीक है, उन दोनों का कलर अप्रोक्सीमेटली बिल्कुल सेम था। So she was comparing that blue flowers with that feathers which was having that warrior doll। एंड हु क्राइज जे जे जे, इस बर्ड का ये वो होता है, फीदर था। वेन द पीपल केम आउट ऑफ देयर टिपीज दे कुड हार्डली बिलीव देयर आइज, दे गैदर्ड ऑन द हिल्स विद शी हु इज अलोन टू टुक द मिरेकुलस साइट। There was no doubt about it that flowers were the sign of forgiveness from the Great Spirit. When they saw all the things turning in a one night, they understand. What they understood? They understood that yes, someone who is alone had sacrificed her very possession thing, and now the good all spirits forgive them। And as the people sang and danced their thanks to the Great Spirit, a warm rain began to the fall and land began to live again। उसी वक्त at that particular time when they are thankful, very thankful, and they are singing, dancing, at that particular time the Great Spirit was very happy, and it began rain in the Texas city, and it seems that life begins again। From that day, the little girl was known by another name, one who dearly loved her people। अब उस दिन से उस शी हु इज़ अलोन का नेम चेंज हो गया, एंड दे टर्न देयर नेम, एक लड़की जो सबको बहुत प्यार करती है, डियरली, जो सबकी प्यारी है। And every spring the Great Spirit remembered and the sacrifices of the little girl, and her spring में that time when she sacrificed her doll, that time was spring season, and every season ये कहा जाता है every spring में वहाँ पे blue color के flowers bloom होते हैं, that shows the sign of that sacrifice of the little girl। ठीक है, and valleys of the land now called Texas with the beautiful flowers even to this very day। this very day means आज तक भी यही होता है कि एवरी ईयर स्प्रिंग सीजन में ब्लू बोनट्स ब्लूजम होते हैं और याद किया जाता है द सेक्रीफाइस ऑफ दैट गर्ल। ठीक है, नाउ थॉमस एंटोनी टॉमी डी पटोला, देखो Paula। Okay, in the American writer and illustrator, he has written more than 200 children books and is the best known for the picture books such as Striga and Nona. He received the Laura Ingalls Wilder Award in 2011 also। Okay, it was a description. So it was very interesting topic, I think, and just look at that video and try to learn the hard words. There are so many hard words in this chapter, so I hope you understand this chapter very well। Take care, goodbye।